Hello class, welcome to a tutorial about how to install the 7-zip from the Internet Explorer, a file that will help you compress your files into a much smaller size file that will help you upload your assignments. To find that, click on the lessons. You'll find most of the directions in there, but if you want to watch this will be another way. Go to your course overview, where it's start here. Then if you haven't went through this, which we did the first night in class, kind of talked about this, you need to scroll through and look at all this information. There's some information there about zipping and unzipping files, and then your download is right here. Click to download 7-zip. This may take a few seconds. If the little line pops up in the upper corner like it does when you go into your Illuminate session every time, then yeah, go ahead and click that, download that file so it continues to download. Once this window comes up, you'll want to save that. You're going to save it into your local disk C. So if your first one comes up and you don't know where, go to local disk C or local system C, double click the working folder, and then click save. This may take a few minutes to download, but as soon as it's done, then we'll show you how to extract it or install it. Alright, mine says it's done. So to install it, let's go to the Start in the lower corner. Go up to your computer, My Computer. Go to the same folder where you saved it, which is the local system C or local disk C. Double click the working file, and there it is, the exe file. Double click it, run it, and then let it set it up into these places. Just go ahead and let it go to the program file like it says and click install. This is installing it so that you'll be able to use it now to complete your work. Click finished, and now you have it installed and ready to use on your computer. Now let's take a look at how to go ahead and zip your files. Now this information again is in your handout or in your lesson part where you get started. Same place where we just unzipped and did the zip files. If you go down lower, you're going to see step-by-step instructions on how to zip files. So right here it talks about how to zip files. So first thing you're going to do is find maybe a folder that's, at this point right now you may not have a big one that needs to be zipped, but I'm going to show you anyway how to go ahead and zip some files. Now as far as zipping some files, let's go to your working folder that we had earlier, your local system C, your working folder. Double click that, and if you don't have an assignment 1 folder in there already, right click and create one. Go to new folder, type in assignment 1, create a folder. This is where we're going to put in all of our folders for assignment 1. So I'm going to go get a video. So I'm going to go to My Documents. I know there's a video here, an MPEG video that's 13.9 megabytes, which is pretty good size. And we're going to copy that. Don't just cut it, but copy it. And I'm going to put that into that assignment 1 folder. And I'm going to paste that in there. You're also going to have some folders or some things like scripts, treatments, storyboard. Those files are going to be needed turned in also. At this exact moment, I was looking for one a minute ago, but I don't have a script one that happens to be in this computer, so I'm just going to go find another Word document. I thought maybe I had, let's just put this welcome letter in there. I will right click on that and copy again. I don't want to paste or just cut because then I don't have one for myself. But I've got it copied, and then I'm going to go put that into my local system C, into that working folder, assignment 1, and I'm going to paste that in there too. Let's find one more folder, and I'll go to My Documents, and let's just put this directions for finding rubrics. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to My Computer, local C, same place, and same folder, and let's paste that in there too. So now we got 3 files in there, all 3 in one folder, and let's go ahead and zip that folder. So I'm going to right click on it, 7-zip, add to archive. Then I'm going to click on, it's still in the zip format right here, which is what we wanted in. Just click OK. And now it's going to compress that entire folder. This entire folder now is going to show up right here. So now I have an assignment 1 folder, but now this is the one that you're going to turn into me. Alright, this assignment 1 zipped folder is the one that you will submit. So this will be a lot smaller in size. You can upload this a lot faster. So when you get to the point in your assignment where it's time to turn in assignment 1, make sure you're sending in this assignment 1 the zip folder. I'll get all of them in there. I can unzip and it's going to upload for you so much faster. It's going to download a lot faster for me. But that's, especially when you get into the movies, it's going to be very important when you get creating these movies that may be 30, 40 megabytes, that you zip those and turn them into me this way. If you have any questions, please ask. Hopefully this has helped you to understand how to zip files and how to put them together.